Tina, how are you? Long time no see. What were you busy with?
Hi Nikki, I'm good. A bit busy with my new project. It was something like a wild goose chase.
Wild goose chase? What does it mean by wild goose chase? I have not heard it earlier.
Don't you know? Wild goose chase is an idiom, which means wastage of time. The project is so wastage of time, I'm not getting anything out of it. I'm just working and working hard, but no results. So, if something is there that you are working on and you are not finding any results, it's a wild goose chase.
Oh, thanks for telling me. And who is this with you?
Sorry, I forgot to introduce you. He's my brother Tom.
Hey Tom, nice to meet you. You're looking a bit nervous. Is there anything serious? Yes, I'm having ants in my pants because tomorrow is my presentation. Ants in pants? Where are ants? Where are ants? Oh my god! Ant in my pants doesn't mean that we are having ants in the room. It means I am nervous. When we are saying that I'm nervous, we can use the idiom ants in the pants. Oh, thank God. I thought there are ants in the room. You know how much I'm scared of ants.
There is one more idiom we are using in talking while we are saying that we are nervous.
Yes. Is that butterflies in stomach?
Yes, butterflies in stomach means very nervous. Yesterday I was very nervous because I had to deliver a speech in the morning assembly in front of all the students.
Yes, I have heard this idiom in my school. My English teacher taught me that. Okay, let's talk about something else. Do you know where is Anu nowadays?
Yes, she is in Delhi. She is doing her MBA. She is becoming such a busy bee nowadays that she is not even texting me a single message.
Okay, Tom, you tell me how your job is going on, how your boss is, and what about your colleagues? How are they? My boss? Don't ask about him. He's such a pig-headed person.
Pig-headed means a stubborn person. He is so stubborn. Stubborn means ziddi. He's so stubborn that he never allows him a single day leave. And whenever he has to take a leave, he always have to tell a cock and bull story.
Cock and bull story? What is that? Cock and bull story means a false story. Whenever I have to take a leave, I have to give an excuse, like I have to go to meet one of my relative in the medical. One of my relative is expired. So these kind of cock and bull stories I have to tell him to take a leave. Otherwise, he never allowed me to go on leave. Really? How funny it is. And what about your colleagues?
They are also the same. They are showing their crocodile tears to take a leave.
Crocodile tears means the false tears, right? That means they are also making stories to take a leave. Oh, really? Now I can understand how pig-headed your boss is. Let's go, Tina. Mother might be waiting for us for dinner.
Hold your horses, Tom. I have to talk a lot with my friend Nikki because I have met him after a long time. So if you want to go, you can take a leave. I'll see you tomorrow in the morning.
Okay, Nikki, you both can talk. And because I have to leave, so I'm leaving now. It's really nice meeting you, Nikki. And see you next time. Take care. Bye. Bye, Tom. Same here. See you later. Take care. Good night.